जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः. Today I will tell some rare incidents which I have heard, read and understood, which are enlightening. It is about Nati Vinodini, a wonderful life which comes as a part of Sri Ramakrishna's Leela on this planet. I don't know how to begin. Ramakrishna happens to go to theater to see certain dramas. Girish Chandra he is one of the pet disciples, householder disciples, honored by all devotees as one who is having 125% faith in Sri Ramakrishna and his being the avatara. So Girish Chandra was both a poet, a writer, a composer, a dramatist, director and owner of a theatre. And marvelous work he has done. The incarnation, Sri Ramakrishna himself praises him. He wanted to take sannyasa and go away. Thakur says, you have been enlightening people, with so many people are getting awakened by you. Why you want to go away? And keeps him as his Leela Sahachara. And the life is connected with him. Thakur, when he goes to see a drama, there will be one actress who does the Chaitanya part in the Chaitanya's life, and then whichever divine drama was to be done, it is hers. Rama, Krishna, all the special parts she used to put. And she used to become that. When she acted as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, she used to get possessed by that spirit. And that spirit a person can possess only if there is 100% purity within. And that we see in the Nati Vinodini's life. When after Thakur's seeing the drama, so many actors and actresses, they come, bow down to Thakur, take his blessings and go. Thakur will be always like a child. He is sitting, everybody is bowing down. The moment she comes, Nati Vinodini, he gets alarmed. His whole face beams with joy. And then he says, Tomar hobe, yours will be done. you will get enlightenment in this life, which is the rarest thing. Man has to wait for hundreds and hundreds of lives of sadhana to go one step in spiritual life. So powerful is Maya. And then Sri Krishna said, Mama Maya Duratyaya. It is impossible to cross over. Mame vaye prapadyante, Maya metam tarantite. And to that avatara is the girl who acted as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. She is bowing down and Ramakrishna is warding off that Maya and saying, you will be enlightened. She was a girl who did not know who her father was. Mother was not a chaste woman. To her, she was born as a daughter. And that person who was responsible for her birth must have been a great soul. Great soul. Otherwise, such a child will not be born. And this we see. One day, our Girish Chandra will be going in a street in a cart. He hears beautiful singing. And then he asks the cart to be stopped. Usually he will not be in his control. But that day he was less intoxicated. And then he gets down and enters a house. They will be startled. A mother and a child is there. He says, who is singing? That girl will be there. She is just 12, 13 years girl. She comes out. The moment he looks at her, she is beaming with bliss, radiating peace, extremely beautiful, exquisite beauty she is radiating. And young, 13 years, she is just entering the teens. Then he just looks, she'll be just calmly looking at him. He is also staring at her. Then Girish asks his mother, her mother, will you give this girl to me? Mother is afraid. She says, what will you do with that girl if I give you? He says, whatever she wants to become, I will do. She had great desire to live a pure life in this world. Absolutely pure life given to God. She wanted to love God like Meera, Tulsi and all. She wanted to dedicate her whole life for an higher ideal. At that small age, she has understood the secrets of life. And when his mother knew the heart of her daughter, and she says, will you be able to fulfill her inner desires? He says, yes, I will do. Because Girish he can accomplish anything he knows. Then the girl, he asked that girl, will you come with me? I am Girish. I have a theatre. I will teach you drama, music, dance, all things you can act. for the world. She asks only one question. What you know? Will you protect my chastity? কি तुम আমার পবিত্রতা রক্ষা করবেন? আপনি কি আমার পবিত্রতা রক্ষা করবেন? Will you protect my chastity, পবিত্রতা? She asked. Girish was first time. He is awakened to a new world. He says, yes, I will do that. And till the last day he protects her, keeps her separately from all other actors. When she grows up, he makes a separate house for her in a solitary place where she can do her spiritual practices and protects her. And she immediately, the moment he assures, I will protect your chastity, she immediately packs up. She goes, and like a father and daughter, they are going. Mother wonders but keeps quiet. And then he makes her an excellent actor. And she'll be always given special characters like Krishna, Rama, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Tulsidas, things like that alone she was being given. This we see. Next, Girish comes to Thakur. There another wonder happens in his life. When he enters, he hears from many people there is a saint who is God intoxicated and who can do anything and transform many people. Girish knew all his defects and impurities, imperfections, what are there within him. And sometimes he used to get dejected with his own life, unable to control some of his promptings from within. He will be suffering, and then finally one day he decides he will go and see he'll be compelled to go. Another, his friend and well-wisher will be there who forces him to go. In a drunken state, he goes to Thakur. And he shouts from outside, I have come. Thakur is in a higher intoxicated state inside. Then Girish sees nobody is replying from inside. Then he asks somebody, he says, this is the room, he is inside. Then he just goes and pushes the door because nobody is opening. He sees Thakur dancing, singing the name of the Divine Mother. He asks his another person, what brand does he use? I have tried almost all, whatever is available in the market. This seems to be from inside. Thakur hears this comment and আমি সুরাপান করেছি. He starts singing that song. And then immediately he stops and then calls inside, come in, come in. But he is now, after seeing Thakur, he is hesitating to keep his feet inside. Because pure spirituality, God is there and man with all his defect, मेली चादर ओढ़ के कैसे द्वार तुम्हारे आऊं. he is feeling. At the same time, he has that not ego, but abhimana, that self-esteem and self-confidence because of the vidya and compassion and faith in God. And then he enters. Immediately he calls Ramlala, give him a mat to sit, as if king has come. And immediately Ramlal comes running and puts a mat. He goes and sits there. And who are you? Thakur. Thakur goes and sits on his choto cart and asks me, who are you? Then he introduces himself. I'm a papi. I am a sinner. Come to your door. After hearing this, Thakur says, no. You are not sinner. When he hears these words, you are not sinner, his eyes become wide. His intoxication drops off. Because first time he is hearing in his life somebody telling him you are not a sinner. He says, there is nothing that I have not done in the sins. And then you call me not a sinner. Thakur again insists, no, you are not a sinner. You are child of God. You are not a sinner. Then these words make him something awakens from within. He just jumps from the seat, goes and clinches to his Thakur's feet and weeps like a child. Thakur caresses him and says, don't worry, everything will come in time. And then he parts. Later, after Thakur's demise, when he goes to Jairam Bhati, one day we see him jumping and dancing, taking the Thakur's name, shouting, Pataki Taron. Pataki Tarana. Pataka is which has no prayaschitta or pardonment. A sin which cannot be pardoned and for which there is no prayaschitta also is called Pataka. Panchapataki. Duryodhana is called Panchapataki. Atatayina. And he says, all my sins have been removed. I have come to mother's feet today. Hey Pataki Taran, Hey Pataki Taran, Sri Ramakrishna, he'll be jumping about. And that Girish is taking care of the child. She has grown up now. He makes a separate residence suitable for her with all things what she wants. Krishna's idol, Rama's statue, so many things in her house. She alone is living and doing her spiritual practices, and her what part she has to do, that itself is a sadhana for her. To do a Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's acting, or is it a small thing? Will be intoxicated in that. She used to become that actually because of this purity. One night, late in the night, after coming to Thakur and many years pass, Thakur, I don't know whether she has met Thakur or not, but she has grown up and living. At night, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, Girish goes to her house and knocks at the door. She says, at this midnight, who has come? Then she just opens the window and sees it is Girish. And he is in fully drunken state. Cart is standing, Cart driver is there. She goes and opens the door. She doesn't allow him to come inside. She asks, "Why have you come at this hour? Don't you have your wife? Why did you come here?" Then it will be a shocking word to her master. Then he says, "Tumhe ki bolcho? What are you telling? I have touched the feet of Sri Ramakrishna. I never came here to see a wife in you. You are my child forever. You are my mother forever. I have touched the feet of Sri Ramakrishna." He says, and then bangs the door back and goes off. He had come for some other purpose, something which we don't know. This was witnessed by the cartman. When he was leaving house at night, 12:30, his wife, his family people are anxious. Where is he going at this hour? Nobody can stop him. Nobody can object him. Nobody can question him. He is doing his own will. And this makes her sleepless. Oh, what did I do? What did I do? Why did that word came to? How could I see that in him? How could I see? He never saw a woman in me. And how could I see a man in him? That was bothering whole night. She weeps and weeps and weeps. She is waiting for the day break. As soon as the first rays of the sun comes out, she runs. We see such kind of running, Swamiji running to Thakur, where one slipper is lost, body is filled with hay, and runs. Like that she runs to her master, Girish. She goes and taps. He is in full sleep. Somebody go and report. Then he comes out. Ki. She falls at his feet and weeps. Pardon me, pardon me. I had done a crime which nobody can do. How did this dirt come in my mind? I don't know. Pardon me, pardon me. And then Girish lifts her and says, "Now you are ready, I will initiate you." He says, "Now you are ready and I will initiate." He initiates her. Her guru is Girish Chandra Ghosh. Not even his guru is. His father, his mother, his guru, his guide, his philosopher, everything for her. And this happens, he initiates her the same day. And then after a few days or something, some time Thakur meets and blesses, says, "Yours will be done. Tamar hobe," what I told in the beginning. And then at the later on, when Thakur was in Kasipur, she will not be allowed to meet her, Swami Thakur. But her heart will be panting. Thakur has told, yours will be done. But I have not got anything, not even a single spiritual experience or anything. Now he is going to leave the body. I have to catch him before he leaves the body. Where is my treasure? I want to go and ask him. So she goes. She will not be allowed, and she will be dressed like a European man who's Girish's brother only, I think. Kalipad Ghosh's brother. Himself, Kalipati Ghosh himself. Bah, terrible. He dresses a European and takes her inside. After going, she removes everything, catches feet of Thakur. Thakur is in that pain and suffering, he is smiling at her. Then she says, where is, you told, Tomar hobe bolechilen? Ki holo? What happened? Then Thakur says, Are tomar to hoye geche. Tumi jane na. You have attained everything. You attained everything. You don't know, that's all. There is nothing more you have to do sadhana. You have to just wait. That's all he says. Yours has been done. You have attained. You don't know you have attained. And last end of her life, Thakur passes away. Girish also passes away. Afterwards she writes Amar Jibaner Gatha. Mormer Gatha. In that, she writes, both my Gurudev and the incarnation of this age promised me, you will get everything in this life. I have not got anything. Towards the end of life, with great grief, she pours out her heart. I don't know when that day will come, when their blessings will come, and I will experience that blessed state of being one with God. This is Nati Binodini. It's a wonderful life. I don't know whether we will be able to get somewhere the actual life and incidents, whatever is available. But it is worth. Om Niranjanam Nityamanantarupam Bhaktanukampa Drita Vikraham Vai Ishavataram Parameshamidhyam Tam Ramakrishnam Shirasa Namamaha.